So I had really high expectations when I came, but I must say it was so much better, and I cannot understand why I didn't do this before. The professors, the way they were teaching, the classes, the assignments, all the hard work that they expected us to do, I learned a lot from, getting dirty, getting into the nitty-gritty, getting really hands-on experience. I never thought it would be so transformational like it did for me. When you start getting into the classes and start learning about all the new things that you want to cover, you change your perspective, but you see that what you're doing actually fits into a much larger perspective and a much bigger world. So what you learn in one place can have application in a completely different place. So you start making those new connections and seeing, if I do this and I succeed with this, we can expand it, we can grow it, we can scale it, and then it will have an impact on areas that I didn't see coming when I started. The friendship that you create with the other Sloan Fellows, it's much more intense and stronger than I had anticipated before I arrived. I thought I would, get to know other people, but not having those strong feelings for other people and making so strong connections and relationships. I'm looking forward to going back home and making this transformational change, putting all the things I've learned together into the big digital projects at home.